Now, welcome back to the YouTube channel, and I will be sharing a very serious video that was spotted on the internet. This video is all about the Jamaican legend known as Asafa Powell. Now, Asafa Powell is a very romantic man, and in this video, I will be sharing a piece of a video that Asafa Powell was spotted on the internet having a very serious time. Now, in case you don't know, this man you're seeing here is one of the biggest legend in Jamaica. I mean, after Johan Blake, then the next big star, the next male big star is Asafa Powell. So he has made history in Jamaica and in the whole wide world, and now he is a retired legend, popularly known as Asafa Powell. Now, I will be sharing a piece of a video where Asafa Powell was actually making a very serious moment, and I can't wait to show this piece of video to you guys. So before we continue, please, in case this happens to be your first time here, do me a favor to make sure you subscribe and hit the subscribe button right now. Now, Asafa Powell is a very hardworking man, and of course he deserves a pretty lady. And this video is all about Asafa Powell and probably his wife and girlfriend having a very nice and chill time. And the video that actually caught up my mind that I decided to make this video is actually the clip I'm about to show you right now. Now, as you can see, this is the moment where he was training. He was doing some press up, and the moment that caught my eyes and made me make this video is this particular video where he was training with his wife, his pretty wife. Let me be precise, his pretty wife, because this woman is damn pretty. So he was probably working out with his woman, and all over Sudan, guys, look what happened. Just pay attention to this moment. Now, they drop what they were using to work, and just look at this beautiful moment. Just take a look. Now they clapped hands together, right? And they were smiling. And now look, guys, look what is gonna happen. It has happened already. So this was the reason why I made this video. Now let me know what you think in the comment section. Are you happy just like I am?